So I have monetized 2 YouTube channels in my YouTube journey, and I am currently challenging myself to monetize my third channel, this channel. It's not easy, but I have noticed 3 specific ways or 3 different strategies that a beginner or a small growing YouTuber can do to implement, which I have done, though I didn't realize I was doing in the moment, that you can do to actually grow your channel quicker and get subscribers, get views, and start getting paid for your content. So, number one, posting replayable content. This strategy is more so like playing the long game. It's a long and steady game, but it gets you results. So, what is replayable content? To me, replayable content is content that your viewer can rewatch, replay, or just simply come back to for reference. Now, this will work for most types of videos, but you're more likely to see this work with educational tutorial type of videos. Some videos are simply just a watch once type of thing. I want to use my first YouTube channel as an example for you guys. So let me show you guys my first YouTube channel. Okay, so this is my first YouTube channel, Pattern Paints. I do nail tutorials, give business advice on running a press-on nail business, etc. And I have a lot of replayable content simply because most of my videos are nail tutorials. I do step-by-step processes on how to achieve a certain results. People would come back to my videos, and I know this because they would leave comments that they would come back to my video to reference how to do something, how to run something in their press-on nail business, because it's educational type of content, it's replayable. They can come back and watch, save it for later, and learn something. And of course, my videos were based around the same topic of nails, nail tutorials, that type of thing. So people would keep coming back. I would make related content. I would go to my comments and read the questions people had, or questions that I had myself about how to run a press-on nail business, and I'd use those questions as video topics to answer questions on the same topic. So on my nail channel, it's basically like a whole presentation. It's like a mini course. You can go to one video, and in that video I will reference other videos, or you need to watch some other videos to understand something. It's just kind of one big loop of learning and learning and learning. That is replayable content, and over time I got a bunch of views, so many views, enough for me to get monetized and reach my 4,000 watch hour mark in no time. Now, on the other hand, for example, if I was doing daily vlogs as a up and coming channel, no offense if that's what you're doing, that's not bad content, but I don't personally think anybody would care that much to watch a random daily vlog of mine unless I'm doing something exceptional. No one is going to sit through my channel and watch a bunch of daily vlogs unless in those vlogs I am talking about specific topics or something relevant that people will keep coming back to. But otherwise, you need to make sure that your videos are replayable. I would advise choosing topics or niches that will allow you to make educational content where people can come back and replay and build up your watch hours, like a mini series essentially. And I started this first channel almost 4 years ago, I believe, and up to now I still get views because my videos are replayable. They are relevant. My search topics are evergreen in my niche. People are always going to be asking the same questions, and when they ask or search a question in YouTube related to press on nails, my videos will pop up and they click and they watch the whole series based around the other videos I created. So create and post replayable content and your watch hours will eventually double, triple, and you will hit that 4,000 watch hour mark in no time. Okay, moving on to strategy number 2. I do understand that not everybody's content can be educational or tutorial type of vibe. So if you want to build up your 4,000 watch hours fast, another strategy you can implement is posting viral content. This one is a little bit trickier because either one, you will have to create the viral content yourself, or two, you will have to gain inspiration from trending topics around or in your niche and basically almost copy and paste and make your own version of the trending topics to get some attention to your videos and to your channel. Of course, with option one, you're not going to suddenly wake up one day and have a viral video idea. Although, funnily enough, for me, that is kind of what happened for my second channel. My second channel got monetized because quite literally, one day I woke up and decided to make a viral video. I just didn't know how viral it would go. I knew I had a good video idea and I knew I had a good video to post, but I didn't know just how far it would take me. So let me show you guys my second channel. So my second channel is called Zuzu's Life, and this was supposed to be a more personable channel, but it kind of turned into a hair tutorial makeup type of channel, which wasn't my intention. I mean, those things are still part of me. That's why I started this channel. But anyways, that is not the point. The point is I want to show you guys my viral video. So this is the viral video that I posted, how to actually stop synthetic wigs from tangling. And oh my goodness, I didn't realize that I am almost at 500,000 views. So currently it's at 476,000 views. It didn't blow up overnight, that's for sure. I think after a couple of weeks and some months, that's when it really started to pick up pace. I will try and find my YouTube analytics for it. But yes, if you look at my thumbnail, at the time, a lot of the trending things were kind of dramatic transformations. So I thought, let me make a dramatic hair wig transformation, and that is what inspired my thumbnail. So that is the video that went viral and monetized my second channel. So I'm showing you guys that to let you know that you can literally go viral in one video, and that one video can be all it takes to monetize your channel, because it will quickly rack up all the watch hours you need in a moment. But in reality, I know that's not going to be the story for everybody. I just personally got lucky with that video. And you can't simply rely on the one-off chance that you might go viral on YouTube. It might take some time and you might just get frustrated. So going with option 2, which is a little bit more realistic, you need to find what is trending in your niche or in your video topic. You can either do this by searching your topic on the YouTube search bar or on the inspiration tab in your YouTube Studio app or browser. When you find what's trending on YouTube, watch those videos, see what is making those videos pop off, and see how you can implement those things in your own video or on your own channel. It's basically a game of copy and paste, but try not to copy too hard. Or if you do copy something in particular, then do give the credit to the original creator of that idea. This option will drastically boost your views. If you do your video right, you actually have a chance of blowing up and getting the 4,000 watch hours in an instant. Now, I will caution you if you do decide to go with this option, because even if you do blow up, then there is a large chance that it might just be that video that blows up. Yes, you might get monetized. Yes, you might get a bunch of views. But as for the sustainability of your channel, you might not have a fully engaged audience. They might not care about the rest of your videos. So if you do blow up for a specific type of video, make sure you keep creating content just like it to keep people around and to keep people coming back. Okay, finally, number 3. This one is a little bit of a stab in the dark, but hear me out. Number 3 is the 40 video rule, and this is actually a strategy that I saw on Instagram threads. So the basic premise is you are trying to reach 4,000 hours. So if you plan maybe 40 videos, exactly 40 videos, in theory, you technically only need 100 hours per video for 40 videos to make up the 4,000 watch hours. So 100 multiplied by 40 is 4,000 watch hours. So if you post 40 videos, 40 good videos, by the way, make sure that you are going to be offering quality and value in those videos. Set out 40 videos for you to sit down, plan, and film, edit, and posting them over time, of course, not all at once. On each of those videos, assuming they're 5 minutes long, you would only need 1,200 views on each of those videos to make up the 4,000 watch hour mark. Now, this again, like I said, is a stab in the dark. If you haven't watched my video on how to calculate the views you need for 4,000 watch hours, then I will link it below. But I basically go through the calculation and formula that figures out how many views you need to get monetized. So I would highly advise you watch that. It is very relevant if you are confused about what I'm talking about. 40 videos, 5 minutes long, 1,200 views each, and you should make up exactly 4,000 watch hours, assuming the entire 5 minutes has been watched. I know that last one might sound a little bit crazy and far-fetched, but if we're talking theory, like on paper, it works. And if you can dedicate yourself to making and posting 40 videos, more than likely 1 or 2 or 3 of those could even do more than 1,200 views. 1 or 2 of those could even go viral, and you would still make up your 4,000 watch hour mark. At the end of the day, regardless whether you're using method 1, 2, or 3, You just have to show up and post, even if your videos are not perfect. I have recently made a video all about this. Even if your videos are not perfect, even if you're not perfect, show up and post and see what happens. Currently for me and this channel, I definitely am trying to get monetized. I am slowly but surely on my way to hitting 1,000 subscribers. I'm currently at 700 and something, so thank you guys for subscribing. I am still trying to work on getting my watch hours up because I took a 1 year break. I would have been on like 2,000 plus watch hours, but I'm currently on less than 800. So don't take a 1 year break. Just keep going, just keep posting, even if it's just a little video here and there. Keep posting to keep people active on your channel, and you will make up the watch hours. I hope this video has helped you guys. I hope it's been inspirational. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything specific that you are doing to try and grow your channel, or if you are monetized and you have hit that goal. What have you done? Is there anything specific or any tips and tricks you would like to share to help me and to help others out there? I would love to know. Otherwise, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my Instagram. I am slowly but surely trying to start posting on there, so bear with me on that. Guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.